Hey y'all, it's Cody and Jessica. We are visiting Lori and Gary in Central Oklahoma, and we are touring their beautiful house today. It's a Century Oak derived house, but it's got a lot of unique features that we really think you're going to love. So come take a tour with us.
So we had hired an architect and spent about 3 months with him drawing up plans for this lot. He came here and he looked at the land and he drew up a home about the square footage we were looking for. And so we paid for those plans. But then on Instagram, I saw your account and just your beautiful home. And I felt like your plan better fit our land. Mm-hmm. So of course that's when I messaged you and asked if you would be interested in yes. selling your plan, and eventually you did, and then you modified
and
it for us.
So basically we have everyone who's bought our floor plans has you and a couple other people to thank, because y'all were the ones who were like, you need to sell your plan. Are you selling your plan yet? Can I buy your plan? So finally I was like, yes, we'll sell it.
And we were so thankful because we love it so much. It's just been perfect for us.
Oh, good. Well, tell us about what we have in the foyer. So I walked in and it's like, okay, it's the Century Oak floor plan, but it's like, it's so pretty and it's different and beautiful. And like here you have an archway. So tell me about what you did in here.
Well, the light fixtures are craft made, and you can buy those on wayfair.com. The look that we have here in the entry, we're trying to go for rustic modern. Yeah. Hopefully we accomplish that with our artwork and our accessories and our lamp.
And then right here to the left, we have this office space. Who uses this office?
This is Gary's office. Okay. Yes, and the paint on the cabinets is Sherwin-Williams iron ore.
Great color.
And the light fixture is Wayfair.
So fun.
Mm-hmm. The desk is Restoration Hardware.
I love that desk.
Yes.
While we're here, why don't you tell us about the flooring too?
Okay, the flooring is Mohawk Redwood. We have dogs and they can't be trusted. So we love these floors because they're waterproof.
Yeah, and they seem very durable. And
they are.
They do look beautiful. They have a great pattern and color to them. They're really pretty. And then here in the stair hall, I love this. You've got the wood risers and treads and stringer trim.
Yes, and now this is red oak. The stairs are, so that's not a laminate. That is a solid wood. And
that's so pretty. And then you did the cable panel molding you did in this stairwell too.
Thank you. I love that.
Yeah. And then your powder bath, it's actually a full bath.
Yes.
And tell us about the tile. It's really pretty. It's like a brick shape parquet pattern.
Yes. Yes. I love that pattern.
Oh, it looks so pretty. I love the beams.
Thank you. We wanted to just make it a little cozier. I don't know if it did or not. Yeah. Hopefully so.
Yeah. I love it. It's so pretty. And your beautiful bed and the windows out there onto the screen porch. And you have the bigger screen porch that goes all the way to the corner. Okay, so we made this room a little bit deeper. We pushed out the front wall, maybe like a couple feet. Yeah. Right. Yeah, and it probably had something to do with the gables that we added on the front too.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
So yeah. So this looks great.
We love how big it is.
Yes. I like how big your screens are too. Yeah, it just really opens up the view.
And I want to thank you because we watched you put your own screens in. I would have never thought we could do that.
Did you do it yourself?
We did it ourselves. Good. Yeah, thanks to you. Good. You inspired us.
So this turned out great. Your fireplace is great. This is amazing. Your view is gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. We love it so much. Very peaceful.
And then you did the back porch where we just extended basically the gable from the living room out.
Yes.
All right, let's talk about the windows, the living room, the stone.
Okay.
Tell us everything.
Well, we love these windows, and as you remember, you designed them for us. You just did a fabulous job. This is exactly what we dreamed of, and we told you, and then you made it happen.
I remember I love how the windows worked out where they fit in perfectly with the scissor trusses and just really maximize the light and the view in this room. And then we have the small windows at the bottom because we really wanted to really maximize the view, and the reason they're small at the bottom is because that part has to be tempered. It saves money, but it also allows the windows to come fully down instead of having to temper the entire piece of glass.
That's right. Yeah, it saved a ton of money to
Yeah.
do that. And it's a neat look.
Yeah.
And in the spring and fall, we put our screens in, and then we
can open them up and get a fresh,
Yeah.
because the top windows are fixed and they
That's
don't
right.
open, and so that lets you get some fresh air through here. Here in the kitchen, we have this beautiful island, and it's made of Brazilian marble.
Yes.
We'll try to find the name of it. We can't remember at the moment. And I love how your hutch turned out.
Thank you.
I like the big wide drawers that you have.
Yes, I love it so
It's really
much.
pretty. It's nice to have that area to display the pretty stuff. Light fixtures in here. Where are they from?
These are actually Bed Bath & Beyond.
Oh, wow.
And I believe this light fixture above the sink is from Amazon.
So what have you found that you love in this kitchen?
Oh, I love this kitchen so much. So I love that this is open, but also kind of its own separate little space.
Mhm.
It's not just a big open room.
Right.
Everything lined up. I love the design. So I feel like I'm with my family and we can all enjoy each other when they're in the living room. I love this huge island. I love the walkways. They're just huge.
And I love
Thank
these
you.
textured backsplash tiles.
These are handmade in Italy,
Wow.
and it's a Riyadh tile.
And so back here, we did your pantry in this area.
But we love this pantry, and it does have this pocket door.
Yes.
We don't ever close it. It's the biggest pantry I've ever had.
Oh, yes. A big pantry is just, it keeps everything flowing so well in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And organized in the kitchen and tidy in the kitchen. That's a fun light.
That is from Wayfair also.
That's cute.
And But I love the industrial look
Yeah,
of it.
it looks really cool in here.
And I love all the cabinets and drawers to store more of my kitchen goods.
So tell us about the laundry room. This is a little bit different from the original Century Oak because this is a customized version of it.
Yes.
So this is different, but it turned out beautiful.
It's the largest laundry room I've ever had.
Yeah. This is fantastic right here, having the sink and the windows there.
Yes, we
It's
use
great.
this sink all the time. We love it so much. We bathe our dogs in this,
yeah.
and then just any work that has to be done.
And then the bonus room stairs right here. That's very convenient.
Yes.
Yeah.
We love it so much.
So does anyone stay up here? What do y'all use this space for?
Well, my son has been staying here until he closes on his house.
This is a great space.
We love it so much.
Yeah.
So we use it for guests, you know, and we just love to have a little kitchenette over there for them. He's got his own bathroom just super close, and We love the ceiling shapes in here.
Yeah, it gives it so much character.
It does.
It's perfect guest space. This turned out so good.
I love it so much. I love it.
People are going to love to see this too.
I love books. I love
Yes.
to read. And this is just a peaceful little sitting area.
It's so great.
Thank you.
Yeah, because on the original plan right here is like a storage closet and a little linen closet. Even that's all different. So because of the extra gables that we have, we were able to do some different things. So this looks
you
great.
did good. You did a great job.
And then y'all have a pool table in your loft area, which is so fun. I love that light fixture. This turned out so good. I'm in love with what I see.
But this is technically my daughter's room, so I think it's so peaceful. If anybody would be interested in this setting,
yes, they will be.
You can still buy it at Target.
Oh, it is so pretty in here. Just so feminine, and everyone's always wanting to figure out how we can get a window on this back wall, and we did it here.
Yeah.
We have a dormer so that we could get this window in here.
Yeah, I love it so much.
Yep.
Beautiful views to the pond.
Yeah, because your view is back here, and so we really wanted to take advantage of that. So good. And the little angled ceilings just add so much character.
It really does.
And then this room has its own bathroom, or is this the Jack and Jill?
This
is the Jack and Jill. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is that Riad.
Oh yeah.
R-I-A-D, that Italian handmade tile.
And
I love that it's not just a rectangle. It's got a lot of shape.
So this is the front center room, and it has a gorgeous view and great light out the front.
Yes, we love those windows. We love the shaped ceilings in here.
Okay.
So this would be my son's room.
Okay, this is fun.
Maybe stays in the bonus room because it's so big. But.
Yeah, for sure. And this also has the two windows and then the back-facing window with a dormer out to the back. And then it has its own bathroom. And this was, I guess on the original plan, this is where the dormer closet was, and we turned it into a bathroom space. And it also has that linen closet tucked in there behind the door.
It does, yes.
Everything, the outside, the inside, all the details, y'all did amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. We really love it. It's been such a blessing, and I'm just so thankful that we came across your account on Instagram.
Me too.
Because we wouldn't have this house right now if it weren't for you. So.
And there's a lot of people that wouldn't have this house because of you.
Really glad you decided to sell your plan. It's really neat to see all the people across the country that have built your home. I have really enjoyed following all of the accounts. Whenever you tag someone and show that they're building, I always follow, and it's just so fun to see what different little bit adjustments on the plan and different styles of design and decorating.
Yeah. It is fun to see everybody do their own thing with it and get ideas and inspiration from everybody and connect with other people.